In this video, you'll learn how to link another Google Docs document inside your current Google Doc so you can jump between files quickly and keep everything connected and easy to find. Let's start with the basic idea. Linking one document to another means that when you click on certain text, it will open a different Google Doc in a new tab. This is really useful if you're working on related documents like a main report and supporting notes or a syllabus and separate lesson plans. Instead of searching through your drive every time, you can just click a link right inside your document. First, you need the link to the document you want to connect to. Go ahead and open that other Google Docs file in your browser. Once it's open, look at the top of your browser window and find the address bar. That long web address you see there is the link to your document. Click once to highlight the entire address, then copy it. On most keyboards, you can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. If you prefer, you can also right-click and choose Copy. Now you have the link stored in your clipboard, ready to use. Next, switch back to the Google Doc where you want to add the link. Think about what words you want people to click on to open that other document. This could be the title of the document, a short phrase like "see detailed notes here," or anything that clearly describes what they'll find when they follow the link. Using clear descriptive text helps keep your document easy to understand. Once you've decided on the text, click and drag your mouse across it to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when the text is covered with a colored background. Make sure you only highlight the words you want to be clickable, not any extra spaces before or after. With your text highlighted, you're ready to turn it into a link. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+K if you're on Windows, or Command+K if you're on a Mac. This opens the link box. You'll see a small field where you can type or paste a URL. Since you already copied the link from the other document, just click into that field and paste it. Again, you can use a shortcut. Press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. After pasting the link, take a quick look to make sure it looks like a normal Google Docs URL and that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. When everything looks good, confirm the link by pressing Enter or clicking the Apply button. The highlighted text will now change color and become underlined, indicating it's a clickable link. To test it, simply click on that linked text. A small preview box may appear, and you can click the link there to open the other Google Doc in a new tab. If it opens correctly, you're all set. That's all there is to it. Copy the link from the other document, highlight the text you want in your current doc, press Ctrl+K, and paste the link. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick, natural part of organizing your documents in Google Docs.